Queen's Gambit, Netflix's most watched miniseries. The story follows the life of chess genius Beth Harmon and her rise to the top of the chess world. That show received numerous awards, but the biggest award it should have got is for the best advertisement for cocktails and spirit brands. The way creators feature different drinks make you so thirsty and want to pop something cold right away. Our main character and her mom consume all kinds of beverages. Even when Beth is drinking water, she pours it from the mixing glass. It starts slowly, they celebrate graduation and pop unknown champagne bottle, no troubles here. Then during some parties with students' friends, having an old but gold Budweiser. As Beth begins to compete in different chess tournaments and with the help of her mom, she discovers the main cocktail of the series, the Gibson. It became a signature cocktail of the Queen's Gambit and appeared in almost every episode. In a mixing glass, add gin of your choice. Next, add 1 ounce of dry vermouth, put some ice cubes and stir until well diluted. Normally I would use a coupe glass, but since today we are trying to recreate Gibson from the Queen's Gambit, let's strain it in this martini glass. You are probably saying, but that's martini. Well, yeah, pretty much. The difference is martini served with an olive, the Gibson with a pickled cocktail onion. There are 100 ways to tweak the Gibson, so try different ratio, but always garnish it with onions. When Beth was trying to slow down on drinking and ordering Coke, but Coke tastes so much better when it comes with a side of Gibson on the rocks.
Actually, I'll have a Gibson.
Well, nothing special here, the same recipe, just served on the rocks. While kicking ass in Mexico,
Una cerveza Corona.
she wouldn't miss a chance to support local brands. But the real treasure her friend helped her to discover while she was in Paris, France.
It's called PASTIS. Very Parisian, very ordinary. Yeah, try it.
Tastes like licorice.
Pastis is Anise flavored spirit. It's huge in French culture. It's in the same category as Absinthe, Anisette, Arak, Mastika, Ouzo, Raki, and probably the most popular Sambuca. When you mix it with water, flavors are released and it turns into a milky-like texture. Add ice after you add both ingredients, and that's the classic way to serve pastis. And what was seen in the show more than any other beverage is PBR. It was featured so much that I started thinking it was a product placement there. During the drinking and dancing scene, Beth was holding that can for almost 2 minutes. If you think that's a lot, nope, PBR in the bottle appeared for even longer when she was drinking with her friend at the bar.
You always drink this much?
Sometimes I drink more.
And it was also mom's beer of choice, as we've seen her drinking it everywhere. It wasn't clear to me if it was a product placement or was featured since it's iconic American premium lager. It actually is so cheap it costs less than a box of water. Another brand appearance was Red Ripple. It's a popular wine from 70s. It doesn't exist anymore, but I sure would want to try that since it worked like a magic on Beth. While being in Las Vegas, they had a frozen margarita, and instead of making it right now, check out my episode Top 10 Different Margaritas that I posted last week. Well, drink responsibly, not like Beth and her mom. Hit the like button and I'll see you in the next video.